Let me show you how to turn these boards for your garden. To long panels, to short panels, 8 bottom boards, 4 top frames and screws and nails. We attaches the legs first, match leg number from the short panel to the long panel's leg number. 3 screws for each leg. Line up the leg, then use the black screw to tighten. Three screws on each legs. If you use an electric drill, don't over tighten. Now you can stand up the box. Now use the other low board to attach leg to number 2. We are repeating the steps for the other side. Be careful, move the box with only one side attached. Always use 2 hands to lift the box. Match the leg number again to attach the leg on this side. Now your box is built. Now use the bottom board to line the bottom. You can nail down these boards, but it already can stand the weight. Final part, we will nail down the top frame. Line top frame with the edges of the box. Now we can show it off.